Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can fast delete your applications, apps from your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to App Store and just click on your account here on the top of the right, and here you will see your all application that updated recently. So just choose application you want to delete, for example VPN Proxy Master, and just swipe to left, and here you will see delete. So just click on delete, click yes delete, and it will successfully delete it from your iPhone. So this is how it works. It's the fastest way I know, and it's more easier than just delete them from your screen with all applications. I mean from this one. It's more easier, and for me it's more comfortable. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.